Hey guys, so I figured we would do a Temu haul today because I can't remember when I ordered this, but it was shipped on 7/5/2026. So I thought if I'm gonna do this and if I'm gonna do a few hauls, I have to make sure that I do the haul as soon as I get them in. So anyways, this is Temu. It's some nail goodies. It's just a little haul, which is fine. So anyways, let's just go ahead and get into it. Of course there's stickers, because we know me and my stickers. I love stickers. And there's silicone molds. And I did my nails yesterday, and I did make a video on it. They're not done. I just put them on and then I got them painted. They're not done. I still have to do a little bit of cleanup around the cuticles. And then also I want to do some kind of a design, but I have to just figure out what kind of a design I want to do. But this is where I am so far on the nails for my niece's wedding for this weekend. So let's go ahead and get back to this. I have a different camera angle going. I don't know how it's going to work out. It's a little tilted. So we'll see how it goes. It might be okay for hauls, but I don't know as far as like when I'm doing my nails. So we know that I like to get doubles and triples and quadruples of stickers. So there's going to be a variety of different things in here. So this I just thought was really cute. I'm sure I have like sweets, like cupcakes or something like that. But I just thought that this was really cute. So I went ahead and I got 2 of these. I really like the ice cream cones and then the cupcake. So that's those ice cream cones and that's what really drew my eye. But the little strawberry down here is really cute too. So I got 2 of those. I got 2 bees. I just thought these guys were so cute. I don't think I have these exactly. Something like it, but not exactly. So I got 2 of these. They're cute. Now this, I could have sworn I got 2 of these. Now I don't know why I only have 1, because I normally just don't order 1 unless they only had 1. Maybe that's what it was. Maybe they only had 1. So anyways, I wish I would have gotten 2 because they look super cute, but they almost look like they're doubled. I don't know. That's kind of weird. Like, it looks like she's got 2 heads. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? That's like, I don't know. So that's weird. Let's open this one up. Maybe there's 2 in there behind each other. I don't know. I have no clue. We will see. Where is the opening? Opening. Oh, is there 2 sheets? Oh, thank goodness. Okay, so there's 2 sheets. Oh, good. Thank goodness. So anyway, so good. So I did end up getting 2 sheets. So that's good. Perfect. That is perfect. At least I have 2 sheets, because I always like to make sure that I get duplicates just in case, because sometimes the sticker comes off and it's just a big mess. Okay, so this one we got to take out of the package because of course they put it in to where you can't see it. It's like, I think it's Christmas, but it's like maybe snow angels or something. I don't know, but okay. Oh, okay. So we got 2 in here. So these are, I'm going to get my thing over here so we can see this. Okay, that does better. Are you going to focus? Okay. So I like the scenery, and then I like the angels. They are so cute. But anyways, yeah, so I thought like for Christmas, I thought these would be cute. And then it came with a snowman, because I like snowman. And the deer, or the reindeer, whatever you want to call them. And then really pretty trees and snowflakes and stuff like that. So yeah, so those are cute. So I got 2 packages of these. So that is super cute. I don't think we need this right now. Let's just put this over here. So 2 packages of those. And then I went haywire on these flowers because I like to use flowers as accents in a lot of different designs. Come on. And, see, I only get 1 in this. But anyways, so I liked how they're kind of curved. I really like the curved ones, because like, let's say you make a mistake right here, right? You just put the little flower there and then they don't know that you made a mistake. See, that is why I like these little things. So yes, so we got 4 of these, which is okay because they only came with 1 sheet of stickers. Okay, so that's it for the stickers. I wish some of them had 2 sheets in them, but they didn't. So, but that's okay. Okay, so we have some molds. Let's just open them up because I can't tell what they are. I just love molds. I'm like addicted to them, literally. You guys wouldn't believe how many I have. Like literally one day I'll show you guys what I have. But these are like different than some of the other ones. They're a little more delicate, and that's the reason why I ended up getting them. Let me get some scissors. Because they're just a little more delicate, and I don't wear really long nails, so that's why because these are just extra short stilettos. So that's the reason why I got some smaller ones. So like, let's get you out of the way, then you can focus. So anyways, so like I like these, like the lace and the flowers. I have something that's kind of like that, but I don't think it's exactly like that. And then even just like the little, I don't know, loops or whoop-de-doos, whatever you want to call those. But anyways, that is really super cute. And then it came with another one. And I really liked this one for this. Are you upside down? Okay. And then I really liked this one. I thought this one was really, really pretty. And I know I don't have anything like this. So they're not as deep. But I've seen somebody using them, and like they use a card, like they put the polish in there, then they use a card, like almost like stamping, like they swipe it and then they cure it, and then it kind of like comes out. So I still do. I have some when I very first started buying molds, quite a while ago, like a few years ago, like when they very, very first came out, they were just like very like flat and like thin. So it was almost like you'd have to put the polish on and then scrape it, but I could never figure out how to do it the right way. So, we're going to practice. But anyways, this is super cute. This is like really pretty. I really do like this. Maybe I might use this, for my nails for the wedding. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. What is this? A bird? Animals? What are you? Oh, birds. Okay, so I love birds. So let's got some birds on here. They're cute. I like birds. I like the humming. Well, I like all birds, but we like to feed the hummingbirds because they're just like little clowns flying around in the backyard. So they're very personable. They kind of come up and fly in your face and stuff. So anyways, so yeah, so we got some little birds, and this one has a couple in here. See, hopefully it's not a duplicate of the other one, because we know I have a issue with that. Okay, so I don't think I have this, but I could. Maybe I should not open this up. Okay, we're not opening this up because it kind of looks a little more familiar in person than it did on when I was looking at the screen. I don't think I have it, but now I'm wondering because the bear on the toast down here, the bear on the piece of bread. That's kind of reminded me of something that I have. And I was just in my silicone molds like last week, and oh yeah, and there's he is again. So I don't know. I might, but we'll see. And even if I have a duplicate, it's not a big deal. I'll take it out to Wisconsin because I have things out in Wisconsin too. So anyways, but still super cute. Even if I have it, I still like it. And then this, I was looking for bears. I hope I ended up getting the one that I wanted. You know, like the little bear, and he's kind of like laying on his stomach, and like you see his head and he's kind of like poking up. I was kind of looking for him. But then I got caught up in some of these other ones. So anyways, this is the problem. I go on there, I see something, and then I'm like, oh, you know, I wonder if, this looks like somebody had already opened this, or they just didn't put it in the bag. I don't know. Anyways, go on to Temu and all the other places like that, looking for something specific, and then you find other things. So that's kind of the problem. So, but I really like the turtle for some reason. I don't know. We were in Wisconsin. My grandson is into Nemo. Everything. Nemo. He comes out of daycare. I want to watch Nemo. Well, he doesn't say it because he's not even 2 yet, but it's like Nemo, or Mimo, or, you know, whatever. So you know what they're saying, but they're not really saying it, right? So anyways, but this kind of reminded me of Nemo for some reason. I think because of the turtle, and then also this guy over here. So I just thought it would be kind of cute because his birthday is August 24th, and we're getting ready to go back to Wisconsin for his birthday, and I thought I'd do Nemo nails. And the only reason why is because my daughter, Kristen, she went and she had her she had pedicure right after she had the second baby, because that's why we were there just recently, is because she had another baby, and it was a little boy, and his name is Archer. This is not going to go back in there. Okay, so anyway, so he's super cute, just like Henry's super cute. But anyways, she had her toenails done. She went in for a pedicure, and she got the brightest color, like a really bright neon orange or something. And she did the same thing with Henry. She did it like, oh no, she got neon orange, and then she changed it after Archer was born. It was like maybe like 2 or 3 weeks later. And so she went back and she got a blue. And Henry was walking around, and Kristen had just come back from getting her pedicure, and he looks down and he looks at Kristen's feet and he goes, "Mama, boo." and she goes, "Blue?" And he goes, "Boo." And he was noticing her her toenails. So I thought that was really super cute. So we're going to try these kind of, again, these are more of the flat ones that don't really have a lot of grooves in them, but I've seen people using them recently, and they seem to be having some good luck with them. So I think I just need to have some patience. So we're going to try these again. So I just picked out some lace patterns that I thought was pretty. So we have that. And then we have another one. Can you tell I'm obsessed with my grandchildren? I mean, it's like, that's my life, my grandchildren. Love them so much. Didn't think I was gonna not have fun. Didn't think I was going to enjoy being a grandma as much as I do, because it's like, oh, you're a grandma, so does that mean you're old? You know what I mean? And yeah, I'm 57. I am older. But it's like, do you have to feel like you're old because you're 57, or can you still feel like you're not that old, even though you look older? You know what I mean? I know a lot of you know what I mean. I know you know what I mean. So leave it down in the comments to let me know if you know what I mean about the old thing and being a grandma or grandparent or whatever. So anyways, yeah. So this is cute. It's not exactly what I thought it was gonna be. No, I guess, yeah. So the rose, it's hard. Like, like when they're on the thing, they're blowing up so much. Like when they're on the shopping channel. But then when you're looking at them in person, it's kind of hard to see. But a rose inside of the frame, and that's probably the main reason why I got this one, is for that one right there. So yeah. And oh, we have more lace. Is this the same one? Oh, I think it's the same one. Okay. So we have a double. I always do that. How do I always do that? So I have a double. Okay. Same. Okay. So this one's going to stay in the plastic package because it will go on a giveaway or, something like that. So we have that. That's empty. I think we have one more and that's it. God, I hope this is not another double, but it probably is. I just had that other one. Where's that skinny one? I'm thinking I got another one like that. Did I? Nope. No, I did not. Did I? No. Okay. No, it's not a double. Okay. So we have this. We can open these. So we have this one. Okay. So I like the crisscrossy kind of stitching, and then also with the bows. I like that. And then just the different lace patterns. That was really pretty. And then we have this one. Like I said, it's just a little haul. So there will be hauls. They'll just be smaller than what they've been, because you find yourself buying the stuff and making the videos on it, and then you find yourself not using it, and then you find certain things going bad, and then you also find like, why did I buy that? So anyways, yeah. So I'm just trying to be a little smarter with my shopping, and but there's still going to be fun stuff coming to the channel. So anyways, that is that one. Was I holding it upside down? Possibly. Or maybe there's no upside down on this one, because that one looks like it goes like that. Okay. And then I found that we have one more. I forgot to put this in the bag. So they had kind of like sent a couple of things separately. I don't know why, but this one was shipped on, I can't really see it. Where is it? It's hard to see because it's on July 4th. See, that's a 04 of 2026. So this is, I know what this is. because I remember ordering this one. This is, I think it's Nicole Diaries. And yeah, it's Nicole Diaries. And is this the Ocean Wave stuff? I thought I was doing the bubbles. I thought I got the bubble stuff. Well, this isn't what I thought it was. Okay, so anyways, this is the Ocean Waves one. So I have to figure out how to use these because I was thinking this was the bubble stuff and it's not exactly what I thought it was. So I will have to research this and look and see how everybody is using this. But that's what I got, was this. So this is the end of the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.